Yes, the dash is out. Wowzers, look at all this stuff behind. It's like a rat's nest. This is worse than Usyk on a bad hair day, eh?
Yeah. That was a dad joke.
That was a good joke. Wow. All this wiring, it's like, it's kind of scary, eh? All this wires.
It's all gonna get a diet.
Wow. So Usyk, what exactly are we deleting behind the dash now that we have access to behind here? So like, these are gonna be gone, right?
This whole unit's gonna be gone. See this whole black unit here?
And
that is all one piece. So I'm gonna take this dash bar out next.
Okay.
And then once the dash bar is out, then we can access the HVAC.
Yep.
Which will also allow us to, on the other side, we can delete all the AC lines going to it and then delete it all.
Cool.
Yeah, and then we'll get rid of all these little bits and bobs.
So we're all done here inside Project Sky's dash removal project. We're gonna be taking out a lot of the HVAC vents that are behind the dash to fully strip the weight that's all unnecessary. And again, a very special thank you to Usyk, the scary guy. Thank you, Usyk.
Thank you, Alex.
Thanks for taking this all out, and we will see you guys next time. Hasta la vista.
Baby.
Baby.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, guess where we are? We're at SpageSport right now, but we're not here to see that. That is a special project that you can't tell us what's going on, right?
Not so much.
Not so much,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a working project.
Alex, I got something for you.
All right.
Walk with me. Something might pop out, just like the hood when we open the...
Oh, there we go.
So what we're actually gonna be doing is I am bringing you, oh, this is heavy. This is my M3 center console, probably like 20 pounds.
Maybe a little less.
Maybe a little less, I don't know anything. Yeah. But well, what we're gonna do is I want this to all be in full carbon. I don't want this, we're essentially just deleting this. We're gonna make this all nice, uniform, one piece. And then behind, because we deleted the air conditioning, this part right here is useless. So you guys see right there? I don't want that. So I guess we're gonna do a cool custom carbon project with this.
I guess so.
All right, let's go inside.
Thank you. Where are we going?
This is so cool. Essentially what we want to do with this is all of these extra lines here, I don't want these to be there.
Okay.
I want that to be as if it was never
Just
existed.
totally seamless.
Seamless. This as well, this will be seamless too.
So this is going to be,
that's going to be like,
we're going to fasten on this permanently, right?
yeah, that's going to be clipped in.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect, yeah.
Okay, so
Just
that's
like
clipped
that.
in, seamless there.
Yeah, and then this, so again, the AC vent used to be there, and essentially I want this to all be integrated, but this right here, see how it's all kind of recessed in right there?
Yeah.
I want this to be a plate, like a panel, if you will.
Okay.
And what Usyk was saying is that we need to be able to access this 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 screws or fasteners of some sort, because behind there are those little tabs that I need to actually mount it in.
Right.
So
Gotcha.
yeah, that's the whole plan. So we do have to retain this.
Yep.
This is the whole thing where the screws kind of go in, and then there's some movability. So I don't know how you want to do that, but we just need this.
Okay.
And this right here, this is going to be gone. So we're actually deleting this completely. I actually didn't even know that there was a little, wow, there's like some sort of like compartment there. Wow.
Oh, good to know.
Okay. But yeah, this is gonna be gone. So I don't know how you're gonna take this thing off. Essentially, this is gonna be gone.
Okay.
I want this all to be like smoothened out.
Right.
One seamless piece.
Okay.
And again, if we can integrate this into the whole piece itself as if this is not removable,
Yep.
that would be perfect. And then these are the tabs that it slides into.
Oh,
So
yeah.
as you can see here, it kind of goes inward a little bit.
Okay.
So
That's
these,
not a problem.
Yeah, so these need to stay as well.
Okay.
But yeah, all the stuff underneath here, like all of this stuff, I don't need any of this.
Gotcha.
So essentially this would just sit on
It's just
top.
basically going to be an outer shell of the console.
Exactly, yeah. So we're gonna do the outer shell project with this. I can't wait to see this done, Alex, because I think it's just gonna totally clean up the entire interior
100%.
of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, I'm gonna let this guy go. I've given him the part. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Again, I'll make sure Alex takes lots of pictures and footage of him doing all the work, but this is pretty exciting.
This should be cool. I'm looking forward to seeing this first off, fully blended, all the features gone that we want, and have something. So what I'll end up doing is I'll end up smoothing everything and then priming it one color so we can pull a mold off of it.
Okay.
And at that point, then we'll have a rough idea what it's actually going to kind of look like, right? We'll have all the lines blended. We'll have
Yeah,
all the
some
features,
really nice-
all the features done.
Look at these body lines here. Yeah, that'd be really nice. So,
Right. So that'll
Very
that'll look real cool in the car once it's one piece garment.
Okay, good. High five. All right.